Good morning, students of grade 3rd. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed Foundation of grade 3rd. We are doing volume 2. Today we will start block 10 S2 on page number 8 in our student workbook. S2 is rotating shapes. Rotating shapes means we have to turn our shapes and make a pattern. Make a pattern. Let's see. Question 1. Circle the shape that will look different when we turn it sideways. जब हम इसको sideways करेंगे that will look different. So if we will look from the side our circle, that will look different. No, circle always looks at similar at any side. Okay, because all sides, all edges are same in this. B is a shape of our square, and square look always same because we have all sides are same in square. So square is also not the shape which look different from sideway. Next, C. This one is a, yes. What shape? Which shape this one? Yes. Rectangle. And rectangle looks different because two opposite sides are same in our rectangle. This side and this side both are similar in the length, and this side and this side also equal in length. So if we will see from the side, it will look different. How? Let's see. Suppose which shape this one is? Yes, this shape is of rectangle. Okay, in this also we have these sides are same. If we will see from this side, it will look small in width. Okay, and if we will see from this side, it will look different. Okay, so rectangle is the different shape if we will see from the sideways. Okay, so what we will do? We will circle C. We will circle C. This one is shape of rectangle. Next, question number 2. Draw the next three shapes in the pattern. Next three shapes. Okay, so let's start. This one is shape of side arrow. Okay, this one is shape of upside arrow. Again we have side, up, side. Okay, so what will come next? Yes, upside arrow. And the arrows are rotating. Yes, so that's why we called these patterns rotating pattern. Next we have this, so we will draw inside. Now you are understand why we call these patterns rotating patterns or turning patterns also we can say. Next shape, yes, upside arrow. Understood everyone? Yes. Now come on B. Which shape this one? Yes, rectangle. And rectangle, in this we have small sides are upside, and in this side we have small sides are at the down. Again we have rectangle, upside we have small side and in the side we have small sides. Again we have upside. So what will the next pattern? Yes, we will draw our rectangle. That small side will be in down. Next, what we will do? Yes, we have to draw the shape of rectangle and small sides will be upside. Next, this one. So this one is rotating of our rectangle. Okay. Now come on next. Draw a rotating pattern. Use heart shape. This heart shape we have to use with rotating pattern. Okay, so we have different ways to draw this one. Yes, we have to draw first of all a heart shape, and again we will draw heart shape, but it should be rotated in side. Next, this one is so interesting chapter. We can say this one is activity. Okay, not only chapter. Heart shape. And in this question we don't clear that how many shapes we have to draw. So we are drawing only 6 shapes, heart shapes. Okay students, I hope you are enjoying this activity or chapter or block 10. So students, this was our S2 of block 10 on page number 8. I hope you all are understand and taking interest in this chapter.